Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone, and a happy Eidul Fitri to all my Muslim follower and friend. So today I'm gonna do the usual weekly analysis for a chosen pair. So I do it in Friday because I'm about to go back for holiday. Okay, so I still want to share a few of my analysis and update a few of the trades that we already analysis on previous week. Okay, so today on Euro USD, price already got into our interest level, which is at this supply zone. This supply zone is at the SPR level. If you see here, over here is to turn off this green button. If your screen keep on going to the right, you just need to turn off this one. Okay, this green button. Okay, so this SPR. Okay, so this is just a simple SNR trade. Okay, so right now this SBR is inside this base. Okay, so price already written here. Okay, so a good place for us to put an entry is actually at a swap zone here. Okay, so we can expect price to go up here and give us a little pips on Euro USD. Okay, so this is my point of view because Euro USD sin is still in a downtrend. Okay, on monthly some of us might see the compression, but as long as the compression did not break, a minor time frame will still give us a few pips. Okay, a lot of profit. So we will take what we get from the market. Okay, so the stop loss you can put up here or up here. Okay, this is above the structure or above the QM level, and if you want a small stop loss you can put just above this swap zone. Okay, and the trade level you can take this let's see, daily on this SBR level. Okay, I like this level because it is SBR, support become resistant, SNR, simple SNR. So this is the zone. Alright, so for Euro USD I'm expecting price to go up there and give us a few pips there. Alright, and let's see at Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP, previously we already taken our stop loss here. Okay, this is our signal. Okay, this is my signal before this. Okay, so price was unable to make a base. Okay, it unable to do a bearish engulfing, but what it did is it do a little bit of breakout. Okay, it do breakout here. Okay, let's see. Okay, over here, so it do breakout. Okay, thing over here. Okay, this SVR, this resistance, and this resistance being broken, and then it pulled back. So what I am expecting is for price to keep on getting to this SBR, this support become resistant, and then give us a little point here. Alright, or it can also pull back one more time here or inside this base. If you see here on daily time frame, it already become a base. Okay, so there's a possibility for it to be inside this zone and then went up here. Okay, or it can just go up, okay, to here. Okay, but in a bearish scenario we need to wait for this pink level to break. Okay, for it to do a whipsaw engulfing. Okay, so as long as this pink zone that I marked did not break, we still do not have a sell signal. Okay, our sell signal right here already been broken, so we need to adapt with the changes in the market. Okay, we are price action trader, not just trade by level. We see how price react. Okay, so on Euro CHF, I'm still sticking to my previous analysis inside this zone. Okay, price already broken this level. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, it's already broken with body, so that is a good sign for us to have an entry here, okay, in this blue zone, or this two gold zone that I mark. Okay, so for Euro CHF, I'm still seeing it as a sell signal. Okay, it's already got broken the support. Okay, so we are expecting price to go inside this blue zone. Okay, but do not forget the most simple analysis. Okay, the easy analysis is SBR, support become resistant, price can also go up to here and went down. Okay, so depending on your margin and your money management, choose the place that you want to enter. Okay, if you enter early, you will not miss the trade. If you enter late, you will get a better price, but might also missing the trade. Okay, so that is the risk that you will have to accept. Okay, so next we will look on GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD, I'm still sticking to my analysis. So previously we already marked this zone, and it's already gotten us about 35 pips, okay, from previous zone. Okay, so I'm still waiting inside this gold zone. This blue color is only optional, which means it can give us a few pips, and it can also give us a lot of pips. So that's depend on how we trade. So usually if I take this blue zone trade, I will take a few pips, I will take a few pips, partial close, and I will break even. And sometimes price give me more, I will just take it. Okay, but I'm still prefer this gold level here, this middle one. Okay. Okay, so GBP USD still in a downtrend. Okay, downtrend. Okay, so we can focus on sell. So CHF JPY, okay, it is in a downtrend. Okay, if you see here, but the price that I marked last week is already been broken. Okay, so sorry about that. So that is how a traders is. Okay, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. Okay, so from previously we floating about 20 pips and got about 8 pips and before it went up. Okay, so right now we need to change our strategy. Okay, oh, sorry, delete. Alright. Okay, okay, so over here we got a QM pattern. It break above, and then we got a QM pattern. So over here it's look good for to take a few pips. Okay, how many pips is this? About 50 pips. Okay, we can focus on getting to this resistance. Okay, unless price already reach here. Okay, then we need to look into the price action. Okay, and over here also got the RBS, resistance becomes support. So we can still have an entry here and wait for it to go up here. Okay, so let's look on daily. Okay, this is a good place for sell. Okay, so we are waiting for price to go up here and then went down. Okay, because this is a downtrend. Okay, downtrend focus for sell. For this buy is optional. It's quite dangerous because price is downtrend. Okay, when downtrend, do not buy, but you can still buy, but quite risky. Okay, so over here is also a resistance zone. Okay, so be careful if you want to buy here. Okay, it's quite risky, but can still make a few pips. Alright, so GBP JPY. Okay, so GBP JPY, our last pair for this analysis. Okay, and okay, so over here already taken our SBR, already got its partner. Over here already got its partner, and over here this SBR, let me mark this. Okay, so this analysis is based on downtrend movement. Okay, this is downtrend. Okay, so over here it's already gotten here over here it's already got here, but over here we still don't have our partner for over here. So we go to lower time frame. Let's see if we have a good place to take a trade. Okay. mm, 1 2 3 1 2 3 up here maybe. Let's look on daily. Need to delete this. Okay, daily over here and over here. Okay, so already got breakout. Okay, I just want to focus in this area. Okay, inside this zone. Okay, so we have a few area. Okay, let's go to H1. Maybe we'll see clear price action, clear level. Okay, so over here is quite good, okay, to take a trade. Too many object. I do not like to do analysis when there is too many object. Okay, so go to H1. Okay, so we have our zone here on H1. Okay, so what I am expecting for price to do is, okay, we got two level. One is SBR, one is QM level. Okay, so there is a possibility for it to reach to this level and went down, and there is also a possibility for it to reach this zone and went down. Okay, but we will look into the price action also. Okay, if it's break our zone, ready to cut loss on the retracement. Alright, so that's it for this week analysis. Okay, so that is a good base also over here. Okay, so I think that's it for today's analysis, for this week analysis. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and happy holiday, Eid al-Fitr for my Muslim friend and follower. Thank you for watching. Okay, and may us get a lot of profit this week. I mean.